In this video, we are going to talk about keys in a context of databases. To be specific, we're going to talk about the primary and foreign keys. If you've ever shopped online, you've interacted with databases more than you might realize. Just like each product on Amazon has a unique ID to prevent you from ordering a laptop and receiving a toaster, databases use primary and foreign keys to manage data and ensure accuracy across tables. In today's video, we will explore what primary and foreign keys are, their importance in databases, how they help maintain data integrity, and discuss a few of the real-world examples. So, whether you are a data professional looking to sharpen your skills, or you are a manager and curious to learn more about databases, you are exactly in the right place. Hey there, I'm Yevgen. You are at our OXBI YouTube channel where we speak all things about marketing, analytics, and data. It's your go-to source for crafting the right strategies that propel your business forward. We also help you do more with your data, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the insights like this. Now, let's move towards better data management together. Okay, we will start from the very beginning. What are primary keys? Imagine you are shopping online at Amazon. Every single item you see has its own special identifier that is unique to any of the products. Why does this matter? Well, just like every product on Amazon has a unique identifier to differentiate it from millions of other products, every record in the database needs a primary key to make sure it stands out as unique. This key is crucial because it prevents any mix-ups, just like how you wouldn't want to order a laptop or a smartphone and receive a pair of socks instead. So, when we talk about primary keys, think about them as the exclusive barcode for every item in the database. No two items share the same barcode. This helps keep everything organized and ensures that when you ask for something specific, the database knows exactly what you are talking about without any confusion. Now, let's dive deeper into the concept of primary keys using a more visual approach. Imagine we have a table with our products. You can see it displayed on your screen right now. It has several products available on Amazon. This table includes the following columns: product ID, product name, price, category, seller, and a website link. So which one of those is a primary key? The primary key should follow the three core principles. It should be unique to each row. 2. It should be simple, ideally a number, but it might be alphanumeric as well. And number 3, it should be reliable. By reliability, I mean you should expect that it's not going to be changed over the period of time. Exactly the same as the social security number is the same over the course of the whole life. Could we use the product name as the primary key? No, it's not unique. Other sellers might sell the same product. The same goes to the price, category, and the seller. Technically, the website link could be a unique identifier, but it may be changed in time, plus it's not really simple. It's too long. So we select product ID as the primary key. Why? Well, each product ID is unique to each item, and unlike product name or category, where many items can share the same name or category, product ID is designed in such way that no two products have the same ID. This unique attribute makes it a perfect candidate for being a primary key. Product ID is very simple. Usually, it's a numeric string. It's very easy to index and quick for database systems to process. This efficiency is really crucial for large databases like those on Amazon. And the product ID doesn't change over time. A product will retain the ID regardless of changes in the name, price, category, ensuring consistency across databases. Using product ID as a primary key ensures that each product is distinctly identifiable, preventing any confusion or mix-ups in data handling. Just like how you wouldn't want to order a laptop and receive a pair of socks instead. This kind of database setup helps keep the tables organized and ensures that queries about a specific product are quick and accurate, providing a smooth and efficient experience when searching through Amazon's extensive product catalog. If you are not yet familiar with queries, here is the part 1 of the video about the basics of SQL queries. I have 2 of those already available on this channel. And I'm doing more right now, so don't forget to subscribe. Now that you understand primary keys, let's explore foreign keys and how they link different tables together in a database. Suppose you are still in Amazon, browsing through products. Each product belongs to a category, like books, electronics, or clothing. Here's where foreign keys come into play. A foreign key in one table is a field that uniquely identifies a row of another table. It helps establish a link between 2 tables, ensuring that the data corresponds correctly across them. For instance, in our Amazon database, each product might be listed with a specific category. And the same as with products, we'll use the category ID field instead of a category name for the same reasons as well. The category ID acts as a foreign key to the products table because it connects each product to a specific category listed in the categories table, which is the primary key over there. This linkage between those tables ensures that every product is associated with a valid existing category. Without this foreign key relationship, a product could potentially be listed under a non-existing category and not available for search on the Amazon website. Here are the top 5 benefits of proper key management across your database. Number 1. By ensuring that all products link to existing categories, foreign keys maintain the integrity of the database. This is really important for accurate data management and avoid data anomalies. Foreign keys also make it easier to query data, like gathering all products under a specific category. For example, if you want to see all products in the electronics category, the database can quickly fetch this data due to the established relationships. If I were a category manager in Amazon, I'd go to Google Sheets. I'll open OXB BigQuery Reports extension. You can find the link in the description to this video. I will select my project. I'll add a new query. And I'll type in select asterisk from product, where category equals electronic, and click on Run. Because I will need to work with those data, not just look at them in the database interface, I would probably build some pivots and charts and make decisions specific to my job. Let's get back to our foreign keys. By structuring the database correctly with primary and foreign keys, Amazon can maintain a well-organized catalog where products are correctly categorized, making the shopping experience smoother and more intuitive. Now let's explore how primary and foreign keys enable complex queries with joins that pull data together from multiple tables. This is where our database really starts to work for us, combining data in powerful and insightful ways. Imagine you want to view a comprehensive list of products on Amazon, but you also want to know which category each product belongs to and who are the sellers. Using the primary keys and foreign keys, we can craft a query that joins the product table with the categories table and the sellers table. And I don't want to see those IDs, I want to see the actual names for each of the columns. On the screen right now, you can see a basic example of how that query might look like. In this query, product.category ID links to categories.category ID, pulling the category name for each product. Products.seller ID links to sellers.seller ID, adding the seller's name to our results. This setup allows us to efficiently retrieve detailed information in a single query, enhancing our ability to make informed business decisions based on comprehensive data views. This capability is really valuable for managers who need to oversee various aspects of operations, such as inventory levels, performance in the context of sellers, and product categorization, all from one place. And if you're not familiar with SQL yet, you don't have to. We've created a SQL Copilot available for all GPT Plus users. It's so great when it comes to writing complex SQL queries, join multiple tables to extract exactly the data you need. We've also added a direct connection to Google BigQuery, but it would work with any other database as well if you just share a screenshot of the table schema and specify the database name. Link, as always, in the description to this video. In one of the previous videos, I've already explained what the database constraints are. You can watch the video using the link. Adding constraints to primary and foreign keys are essential for maintaining data integrity in a database. Primary key constraints ensure that each record within a table is unique and identifiable, preventing duplicate entries. Foreign key constraints maintain valid data references across tables, enhancing that all data is linked through foreign keys and they exist. For instance, if a product in the product table is assigned to a category from the categories table, the foreign key constraint ensures that the category actually exists in the categories table. Primary and foreign keys play a crucial role in optimizing database performance. These keys enhance the speed and efficiency of database operations such as searches and joins. For large databases like Amazon's one, like basically any other e-commerce database, efficient data retrieval is crucial for handling vast amount of data. Primary keys make it easier to fetch data, while foreign keys allow the faster joins between related tables. Additionally, when you handle updates and deletes in the databases, using foreign keys, it's crucial to maintain data consistency. For example, if a category is deleted in the categories table, the foreign key constraints can prevent this deletion if products in the products table still reference this category. Alternatively, cascading deleted can be used where deleting a record in a parent table automatically deletes corresponding records in the child table. This ensures there are no orphan records. Let's navigate some of the common pitfalls when setting up primary and foreign keys and how to avoid them with some best practices. Mistake number 1. Not setting primary keys. Let's make sure that every table has a primary key, a unique identifier for each record, so you have clearly organized and searchable data. Mistake number 2. Using inappropriate fields as primary keys. Always choose primary keys that are unique, stable, and simple. Avoid using the fields that may change over time, like phone numbers or names. Mistake number 3. Overusing foreign keys. Overlinking tables with unnecessary foreign keys can make the database schema over-complex, and it's going to be harder to manage. In order to avoid this, use foreign keys in a simple manner to ensure they genuinely enhance data relationship and integrity without overcomplicating your database structure. Alright, mistake number 4. Ignoring cascade rules. Making sure that you configure cascade rules thoughtfully to automatically manage changes and deletions in related tables, ensuring data consistency. And finally, mistake number 5 is about poor indexing. It's failure to index key columns that can slow down query performance, particularly in large databases. The solution would be to index primary and foreign key columns to enhance query performance and ensure efficient data retrieval. By following these best practices, you can avoid common pitfalls and maintain a robust, efficient database. And there you have it. We've dived deep into the world of primary and foreign keys, essential components that ensure our databases run smoothly and joins easier. Regularly review and optimize your database schema, keys, and indexing strategies. And remember, a well-maintained database not only performs better, but also makes data management more reliable and your life easier. If this video has added value to your journey, please show your support by liking and sharing this video. If there are any other database concepts you'd like to explore next, just drop a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to the Always Bay YouTube channel. Your engagement inspires me to share more insights about data and analytics. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Yevgen from Ovax, reminding you, data always makes sense. Harnessing the power of data leads to informed decisions that propel your business success. So, see you soon, but until next time, stay data-driven and explore the endless opportunities your data offers.